how to manage deep sleeping apps for better battery life on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on background usage limits. After click on background usage limit, click on deep sleeping apps. After click on deep sleeping apps, click on this plus icon. After click on this plus icon, so you will select apps from here. After select app, click on add, you will see apps is add on deep sleeping apps. So if you want to remove, click on this three dot icon and click on remove, click on all and you will see apps is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can manage deep sleeping apps for better life on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.